It is amazing how much money you can make online today with your content, whether it is on social media or it is on your blog. You have absolutely no limit, and if you're not making enough money, it is because you've not read this book, and you are here because you want to be able to make this money online being in Cameroon. Keep watching. Welcome back. My name is Einstein Moki, and I am a full-time blogger based in Cameroon. And in this video, I just want to give you an idea what you get in this book and why you have to grab your copy right now. It doesn't matter your level of blogging. There is something that is new, and you have to get this book to access this very important information that can massively increase your content income. Now, take a look at this. If you are new in blogging, new in content creation, you have to start with this, because in this book, you are going to understand what is content production and distribution, and you're going to know the situation of the market, Cameroon, okay? Where Cameroon was some 10 years back and where it is today. And I'm going to teach you, you're going to study how to create your marketplace. Okay, what is the importance of a marketplace? How do you create a marketplace? Everything, as you can see on the table of content, is here in this book. The reason I'm showing you this is I don't want you to buy something without knowing what is inside. I want you to have an idea what you are going to get in this book. Now, if you're a blogger, you're going to be able to know the 7 reasons people read your blog. That's so important, because without this knowledge, you're going to produce content that is not relevant. You need to know the 7 reasons people read your blog, and you need to be able to know what they want once they are on your blog. If somebody's on your blog, what does that person really want? There are things that you should do on your blog that will tell you clearly the areas of your blog, or the links on your blog, the links on your menu that people really click, so that you don't waste space. This is very important, and all of that is in this book. And of course, we talk about sources of traffic, SEO. As a matter of fact, we have a content and technical SEO, and content SEO is further broken into on-page and off-page. You need this book for all of these details. And then we'll be going straight to the core of the book, which is how to generate income. You may want to tell me that you're used to contextual advertisement. Maybe you're making some peanuts income with Google AdSense. You maybe $100 a month, or $500, or even $1,000 a month. If you're making $1,000 a month with Google AdSense, trust me, if you do affiliate marketing for Cameroon with that, you're going to triple that income. That's why you should get this book, and you're going to focus on affiliate marketing in Cameroon. That is something inside that you probably do not know about, and this book is going to be an eye-opener. Grab your copy right this moment. You will know about the top X content type. You're going to know about negative content and how to monetize it. Now, these are things that the big guys used to make money out of here, and they are already working here in our nation, in our country. We can already use these methods to make money as bloggers. That's why you should get a copy of this book right this moment and start implementing the methods that are inside. And trust me, once you get this book, you're going to have my attention. Once you get this book, you can always contact me, and we discuss what your challenges are as a blogger. Thank you for watching this video. I know you're grabbing your copy right now, and I will be talking to you very soon. Bye-bye.